Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ray. Check it out, guys. Got another tool for you. We got the yard Butler. All right, this is an aerator for your lawn, guys. I'm in the process of trying to get my backyard done and my front yard done. I'll be doing some overseeding, and this is something I decided to pick up. Now I'll put a link below in regards to this particular model. Again, a manual tool. You can rent the machine. The machine goes for about $65 for 4 hours for probably Home Depot or Lowe's, depending on where you go to. I want to do something a little more manual. Don't mind getting out here. Doing yard work is almost a little exercise. It's therapeutic for me, you know. So I decided to pick this up to help me get my lawn in order. So guys, thank you for joining me. Please like, subscribe. Guys, after I'm using this, I'm coming back and I'm gonna let you know how it works out. Is it worth getting? It looks pretty good. All right, it's made of steel, I believe. It's well welded. So I get some close-up shots of this. So let's get into this. Let me get this all working, get my yard going so I can overseed it. And that's it, all right? I'm gonna give you some tips on how I'm using this particular tool. And I hope it helps you guys out there, all right? Again, I'm Ray, thanks for joining me with DIY, how-to, backyard stuff, front yard stuff, whatever I'm into, I'm sharing that information with you. Please consider like, subscribe. And again, if you're considering picking this up, please, there will be an affiliate link below. Please consider using that link because it does support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. So enough of me talking, let's get into the video. Let's go. All right guys, let's give it a little closer look at it real quick before I start here. I'm gonna show it really close. I'll let you guys know it looks like it's well made. Steel, well welded, powder coated, so avoid from rusting. And to give you a little look at this, are the size of the hose. Pretty much seem like almost like a ½ an inch in diameter. Should get some decent cores coming out. And this is the front end. Okay. So again, this is all manual. Just gonna step pretty much in the middle, force it down, and the cores as you go on, the cores will come out. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. It's a handle, yard Butler, nice foam grip here, so you're not getting any type of calluses on your hands. So, and that's it. So very basic tool. So just want to give you guys a closer look at it. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it to use. Start in my backyard, work to the front yard, and so I can do some overseeding. Now, my word of advice, guys, cut your lawn even. All right, to start off. Also, I'm doing this right after we just had a look it up there. We pretty much had a rainstorm yesterday evening. So the ground is right now is nice and moist. So using this machine will be nice and easy. I wouldn't consider using this on dry, compact soil, all right? Make sure, do it after a rainstorm, all right? That's what I suggest, all right? So let's go on, let's set up the camera and get this rolling, all right? And stay with me. Okay guys, I wanna do my first row. I just wanna show you how it looks. All right. It's working pretty well. All right. These are little cores that's gonna be coming out of your lawn. All right, every time you step on it, another one, it forces that out. But one thing I noticed, guys, when you use this, depending what's beneath this grass, let me see if I can set up and show you. This core right here, or this one, stop pushing through. Now the reason why, because I probably got a rock or something stuck in there. So I suggest when you're doing this, have your little screwdriver available because you're gonna need it to force this out. And that's it. So right now I'm just cleaning that out. All right, another one. Again, help force clean it out like that. I hope I saw that. All right, so overall it's pretty good. It's coming out, it's working pretty well, and I'm gonna keep on keeping an eye on. All right, so let me show you how I'm doing it. Very easy, simply set up. Use your whatever foot you're dominant on or feel comfortable on. Push down, and what I like about this one, you can rock it a little bit. All right, come out, come up to it, push down again, and as you can see, the next core is going to come out. All right, so this is definitely a two-hand job, so I'm trying to do this and hold the camera at the same time, so forgive me if it's kind of rocky. Again, next one, and I'm going out, say, about every half a foot. All right, so I'm gonna keep on to get this done. Will this go much quicker with a machine? Definitely. All right, but if you don't have time and you want to save some money, this may be an option, and you don't mind working out a little bit, you know. Again, it's good for my heart. It gets me out here working in the yard. I don't mind this type of labor. So let me keep it on and continue with the backyard, all right? Hey guys, all right, let me update you on what this machine on the yard Butler. Guys, to tell you the truth, I like this machine. I keep on calling it a machine. I'm sorry, this tool. Very easy to use. All right, but let me give some tips on using this. And this is how it looks after one use. Not too bad, all right? Number one tip, all right? Make sure you keep a long screwdriver in your pocket, all right? Because you're gonna need this. And the reason why, because these holes will get clogged up, all right, with little pebbles, and it won't come through when you press down. So you need a little screwdriver to get in there to clear that obstruction, all right? So that's number one. Number two, I advise you guys, and I'm gonna demonstrate, hopefully I can show you, when you press down on it, go backwards. So press down and go backwards, all right? Because the reason why, you avoid stepping on all these little plugs so it doesn't build up on your boot, I just found going backwards saved me the hassle of constantly stopping and trying to clear up all the mud and dirt off my boot. All right, so go backwards on that. Have a screwdriver. Number 3, do it when the ground is moist, all right, and soft. All right, as you can see right now, I'm doing it when it's raining. All right, we got a nice steady rain, so I'm out here aerating my lawn now. Ideal, because again, the soil is soft, so it makes it easier for this tool to dig into the ground, and you can pull up on it. So that's number 3. This machine, I keep on calling it machine, sorry guys. This tool, I do not recommend if you have rocky soil or you got a lot of gravel in your soil. Don't bother picking this up, all right? Get you the machine. Also, if you got a large yard, I don't recommend this. I recommend get the machine, or if you got good household boys or girls who's able-bodied, buy a couple of these and make them get out there and do it for you, right? So again, if you got a large yard, get the machine. This is good for you got a small yard or medium yard, which I consider my yard being medium, to get this done. Also, do it in sections, all right? Split your yard in fourths and just do it in fourths, because it seems like if you have a large or medium yard, it seems like it's going to take forever. But if you do it in sections, it goes pretty fast. And that's pretty much it, guys. All right. It's the Yard Butler. I think it's pretty good. It's made sturdy. It's not no play to it whatsoever. I'm standing on it. It's holding up well. And what else I can say about it? That's pretty much it. When you dig it, when you push it in the yard, rock it back and forth, and it'll work out. So that's it, guys. Again, this is another look at it. It's called the Yard Butler. All right. And it held up pretty well. All right. I like it. All right. My front yard, backyard is done.